Hi! In front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Audio Profiles right away. Then you can click on Meeting to disable Sound completely and leave only vibrations, or click on Outdoor and enable Louder String and Vibrate option. You can do exactly the same by going into Tab menu, clicking on Audio Profiles and picking one of those options. When you finished, click on those three sliders next to General and click on square icon next to Vibrate to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to enable or disable haptic feedback for taps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!